Hello. In today's episode, we will talk about the cross single crochet. So, I'm making a doll, and half of it is with normal single crochet, and the other half is with cross single crochet. And you can see here, I will change the camera so you can see better. So as you can see here, if I'm overfilling the there will be spots where you can see the fiber fill, and here where is with X you don't see any holes, but here where is normal you see holes. So for amigurumi I recommend using the single crochet cross stitch, and I will show you how I make that. So I'm starting with a magic ring, and in the magic ring you can make 6 single crochet. Start with 6 single crochet, 1, so from the beginning, yarn over, and now I am making 6 single crochet on my finger. Oops. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, after making the 6 single crochet, I'm closing, pulling the knot and closing the magic ring. And now, usually I will go in like this and like this. This is one, but now with the with the cross a single crochet, I'm going under. The yarn is always under, so I'm pulling it out and the yarn is always under the hook. So 2, now going in, not like this, with the hook upon the yarn and going out, and the hook is always above the yarn. 3, 4, 5. It's a bit slower than normally for me. 6, because I'm used to go in and go out. Hello there, hello there. But I'm trying to make the cross single crochet with all my amigurumis. So like this. And I find it very much better with cross single crochet than with normal single crochet. So let's count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now I'm adding a piece of yarn to see where my beginning is. So instead of normally going like this in, so instead of making normally, I'm going with the normally I mean with the yarn over the hook. I'm going with the hook over the yarn and pulling the yarn out and always the hook is over the yarn and pulling the yarn out one. Then I make the two, the second. Oops, I think I over pulled. 2, 3, and now I'm making an increase. 4, 5, oops, 9 and 10. So now I'm making the 11, the 12, the 13, 14, and 15. So as you can see, it makes a stitch like an X. This is why it's called the cross stitch. If here you can see it makes a V, so like this. The stitches have something that like a V, and here are the X. They look like X. If you see here, the stitches look like X, and here the stitches look like V. When you have V's and you overfill, then it will make a little holes in your work, and when you make with stitch with X stitches, then you can see that everything is uniform. You don't have this small, see, here are X's and here are V's. Here is a hole, here is no hole. So enjoy and have fun. I will keep you updated with this doll. Hello and thank you for watching. Let's flip it. So thank you for watching, and we shall see us. This live video will be on YouTube, and we shall see us in the next live. So bye, have a great day.